Remember, I'm not going to tell you how nothing tastes.
No matter video I want to tell me how nothing tastes today. We not cook no trash rice today.
No trash
No
rice.
trash rice. Get away.
The shrimp is a cockroach.
So you don't start that. You see I want cock
Wait, that's how you do it? Okay, on your way to a perfect 10 this morning again.
Let me look. Come in now.
Start again, let me see what I want. Wait, say that one?
Superpower milk.
Superpower milk, what name, sir?
The one that they have in the bag.
Ah, what that powder you call superpower milk?
Yeah, that's
So when you use it, you get energized
that not good.
and nice.
That not ready. You know they call it
Ah.
coconut milk superpower.
Superpower.
So you never use it?
Me?
Eh.
I using something, them, brother.
A fiddly. Like him have a smile on your face and
That me a zoom up and show people my same thing when my boss saying like him having a
I
hand.
request it again this time.
People.
And he
I want to tell you.
And
Funny
I
thing.
And I said nothing wrong with greens, you know, but I said I don't like greens.
Boy
So you
people.
know, eat it Thursday night too.
Yeah.
Thursday night is a fried cakes.
Fried dumpling.
Sweet, yo.
Wow.
That's you want it today again.
So I want it today again. The greens, yo.
And next one, look a street side vlog where I do to the peeps. So look nice, I go in it from time to time. Just bear with.
Yeah, so
Yes, sir.
vehicle I go pass and I go blow all the little thing the people.
Yeah.
That now go worry, we just go on with little thing as usual. For a week if you go on, but choose some little things up little obstacle in the way, we have to get to that first.
And the weather too.
And the weather. So
Yeah.
we just go on with that little thing nice at the man now, so we give thanks and praise.
Saturday morning breakfast.
Yeah. Well, I sat the man in
So, me see how it roll for something right here, so I know me really can't figure out what you gonna do. What is? Me see rice, me see pumpkin, me see callaloo,
I see great.
salt, butter.
Fiddly.
Oh,
I see great
that me just ask
shrimp.
me not see no meat
Oh,
kind.
jumbo shrimp.
Just
you're a meat man, you love, you start, you
Yeah,
know, see no meat.
meat.
So, me not see no goat.
A meat me like see man, it no
Goat.
matter what kind of meat.
You
Whether
like to see?
goat, beef, pork.
No, you come out that channel. You think this boy coming, I can't talk about goat. Not talk about
So
pork.
Rasta, if one and two people pop up feed here, I go and sample the food there, I go afraid.
No man, they must eat one. Right on the front
I tell
here.
you what I go on
And
for.
tell me what I go and feed.
If
Any
I-
man.
If I want to eat.
All you? More I eat them, I will give Rasta on the front.
I just feed liver again because don't score them.
Martel.
Yeah, man. See, so Rasta, you know, I use the coconut powder today.
We don't tell say we don't know coconut beer and fast food, coconut powder something I use. We don't have that with the thing, man. If you don't go, and squid, I'll go down for your coconut, because we can't return back over the Africa line. So, and thing. So,
Yeah.
we go and boom bang.
Sir Junior? Oh, go on.
Yes, I did today.
Yeah.
He's saying upgrade now, he's saying, oh, different people give a score, you know?
Greens.
Green. Them a bad about say me I eat too much meat. So me I sure they say nothing wrong with the greens, but me don't like greens. It's not a greens man.
Yo.
A meat man, my name is a goat man.
So you just a cuss or bun me out about true me say me when me
Yeah,
a
'cause
ask
just
see
like we have
meat.
to burn you out as I come here talk about. Rasta can't live with pork. We don't bring no blasted pork cut to me.
But
No
a meat.
pork. Pork is not no meat.
There what?
Devil that.
Devil that.
The devil the hell.
No man, the right are ground in there, run up and down, and I pen them. That is the devil, we don't want nothing like that here. Everything you can tell me what. Rasta, even that the pork one you can't cook some chunks. No chunks around here.
Wait, that you want to say Rasta?
No, me no want no chunks.
Yo,
Me? No,
boy,
no
you want
chunks.
curry chunks from who? Rasta now?
No chunks.
No chunks around here, no pork for you. It must be goat, beef, and chicken and fish.
So go on there,
You say don't clean up the island low, you know, Rasta.
Alright, me no want that
You hear
gonna.
that shit, man?
Man said don't know
When
what
I
make
say you
it.
don't know how to make chunks, you know what I
You say no go. You say tell them go. Tell them puppy.
You don't make chocolates.
You don't want it.
Tell him
See,
boom bang.
too much
We
people
don't know how to
can't
make
say
chunks.
same thing.
Well, what can I give? What can I give?
Yes, sir.
If I just back for chocolates, Bobby.
You know, say me I'm gonna check it for real. Everybody me here, say me I'm gonna check it.
You
Yeah.
don't know.
I'm gonna check it out for real and tell them the ingredients.
You want to see the ingredients, man, for your baguette?
I want to tell you the truth.
Yo.
The one time I test it, I never read it, you know.
But come to think of it, me never really see the ingredients.
I tell you.
Yo, did the coal, you fraud, you did the knife it.
The pumpkin.
You didn't have to put the knife it.
So you mean it never forget knife?
So, you know, so it's coal, man. But
So it will spoil too long.
Well, we blow out.
You know, for
But Rasta, all along I fridge, all I product they used to come out and what's about now.
And I feel pumpkin always that fit, so.
Everything I try call friend there, boy. I can't believe this. We can't go to Canada, Rasta.
Where me I go over there, go do?
We are go over there, go cook for people to see me like what we are doing now, man.
Me not going to Canada.
We say we are go over there, go cook for people, just like what we are doing
Alright, so I
now.
come to Jamaica and cook.
I them have to come here for
Yeah,
cook
they
for
want
them.
me cook for them. All of them have to come out like that. Me not go over no cold place. No, sir. Me rather me yard there, so. Me not run go over no one to them place, go take no coal and kill off myself. Man.
Yes, you never ban for
Never ban for that. The ban for us to run up and
Manners.
now go over there, so me can't get run up and down over there. Like come one run up and down.
Can't get your plant.
And can't get your plan. You can't step out and do and so. Take Papa up to scale and Papa up one of them. You can't do that over them places. Eat at Jamaica.
Yeah, say go outside, go shovel snow off of your driveway.
Me not shove no snow out there. So they push me door and me gone.
Rain or shine.
Rain or shine. So that's
That's
it.
why I'm dash out this way and come
Yeah.
back. If we don't mind, it grow too.
So if them have a thing there, what I'm to cook, I have to come a yard.
Alright.
Come a yard, everybody can see back abroad.
You're saying
Spice
spice up something for
Spice
them.
up something for them.
Better make sure the spice are nice today.
Why?
I have a scoreboard today in our stuff.
So we are going to do the pumpkin and stuff. Blend it, you going to blend it up?
Put on the scoreboard.
Let me blend up what?
The pumpkin.
But blend up this pumpkin, madman. So,
I don't know what I'm doing. I want to try to figure out, you know?
you must think that me a buy a gum shot.
Pumpkin puree.
Pumpkin Qatari.
When you are going to make that? That we want to find out.
One idea no buy one pumpkin, I would just deal with that.
Alright then. Remember somebody requested it, you know, so we have to deal with it. And it will be a first time test for it too, so.
Fucking Qatari.
Yeah.
Be a bean right.
Be a bean and Irish and pumpkin together. Cook it down on there. Yeah, people, as usual, I have to look for my ingredients then. That they want to see. The ingredients.
Ingredients.
Ingredients. Ingredients.
What about tonight?
What about ingredients?
Yeah,
You see them? Wash off and thing. And I left no skeleton today.
yeah, use everything today.
See them? Because not no much time. 4 liquor star.
Yeah.
4 liquor.
I first, me I go see you use all I season, the scallion too.
Yeah, because guess what?
Normally,
Normally?
teeth piece I put in a ground over there.
Me say,
Teeth.
the man get the whole I scallion for season, goat and I plant it.
What you mean? Me plant back some
I
over
can't
there.
believe.
Goat
Me say,
goat a grow and skeleton fi grow. Not true, Mumba. Skeleton a grow, goat a grow. So goat a grow feet time fi cut off your teeth.
So you say scallion grow for
Feet time
seasoning.
fi seasoning. You don't know that. So we can't wrangle so. When you see back some people and feet, we get back some seasoning.
You say that a for young kid, that a for young kid where I grow.
Listen to me now. I couldn't do that in Canada. I have to do it in Jamaica. I couldn't raise a goat and raise the season at the same time. I forgot to, what they call over there now? No, they call it the store. Yeah, to pick up what I want over there. No, the store I forgot people just going on my ground. And just pick up what I want. And then the goat ready. Bam bam! Goat ready. Bam bam! Season up and running. Ready. One place. But there you have to go out in the snow to go to the store.
Put on your water boot
Water boat, you
and
better,
snow coat.
you better sag up in all your gloves them for your hand. Sad. Sad people.
Yeah.
You just cook color also.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You just look how color also people. You start and wash off.
You don't know so salt I go get out any little
Any little-
parasite when
Yeah,
they
upon the leaf and the
hidden
thing.
in a leaf.
Yeah, man. That's
Yeah,
cool,
when the salt touch him body, you want to wriggle out of it.
Wash it like how wash it. Rub off all your clothes. Eh? I can't say, I don't look about it properly.
So the rub up cocoa leaf when me used to beard with it, you know, when
Yeah.
me a pitney and I beard with cocoa leaf.
Yeah.
So you have to rub it up enough feet.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you ever beard with them thing there?
Long, yeah, when me a boy.
Yo. And when I look up at them one at a time, them and
Mother,
them too much
and
sweetie and get the cut them for me
tambourine.
foot. Oh God, man, them beat me with some quacker bush
The
there.
tambourine leaf. When you look for you, so if I bump the pan, you
I tell you, too much sweet.
It means you're gonna road. And you get the money. That's sweet.
Sweetie.
Sweetie. You remember Staggerback?
Yeah, what?
That
Them
was
they
the
did
sweet.
nice.
That was the
What was the other name for it? It did have a next name.
Buster.
Buster, Blockbuster or something like
Blockbuster.
that. Yeah, man.
Not Buster Rhyme, you know?
No.
Okay. Not Buster Rhyme, you know? Straight Staggerback.
Yeah, man.
I have one next one with the name Jackass Khan.
That?
With tough
The
black-
real Jackass Khan, man, with all your teeth, your
Kid
lose
with
are
that
trying
mix
your
of
man of them,
hospital, you know.
man.
You know Jackass can do?
What?
You remember Ketty that mix that first spring, you know?
You lose all your teeth, man, I try and mash up that.
This can't cut none, you know.
Can't cut it in.
What me cut it?
You don't understand. I'm gonna cut it up for you.
Cut it up then, no? My finger them. Then I cut the whole of them part of it.
That's why I say, you know, the style and pattern that you must say.
That then I miss for my finger them. If I both no, one chop done. Give God thanks and praise for today. You see, because we have life to see each other. No, so.
And I like greatest thing, man.
Greatest thing is life.
Life are the ultimate,
Life
you
are
know.
the best, my youth. I give
But
thanks.
last time I just realized the amount of pumpkin within carrot them there. Just, we just like ask you what we are doing so much pumpkin.
I said that today. Last time you asked me when we had a one carrot you can't come. I'm telling you when you have big carrot you can't more than one.
Well, see you have it enough for now.
You know see me, you know see no, that's how we
See
cut
it?
up already. Cut up one that.
You have it in abundance.
When we cut up this set, me see me have carrot.
Alright.
You say I have Rasta? Carrot?
You must say me
have
have
carrot here today, look here.
that enough to be carrot.
Oh,
Artificial carrot that don't
It's
care.
not real.
No sir.
Eh?
The real one I want to cut
You
up.
say them are artificial like the
They not-
flowers.
Yeah, like the flowers them because them cut them up, me not see when them cut
3D printed carrot them there, man.
Yeah.
A must.
Rasta, me ask you a thing. Sure.
up. Yeah.
So you say, when you let's say start the cockroach. Yeah, eat cockroach for the sea, you know, because remember I say everything with the land in the sea. So the shrimp and start cockroach.
So you don't
Yeah, I
start
see.
you see I have one cock bunny.
Cockroach. Yeah, why you say it, brother? Cockroach in the sea.
We want if you see my one cock bunny, you know say a cockroach. If you see my one cock bunny, if you know say it's a cockroach.
Hey.
All you know say my roach. Where you talk about my cock? All you know say is a roach you see. And you say a cock you see. Oh, you see cock bunny?
So they say,
Because say so they say, because me no see that bunny. A roach me see a run.
yes, the cock bunny.
No sir.
No exams are far.
Yeah, me not go, you know that me not examine so far. Because no say if you have a cock. Not at all, not me, not searching no roach.
Just know say it's a roach
Just
that.
no say it's a roach.
Where you feel your final score go beat?
My final score,
Mm-hmm.
it a go pass your score you give me, you know.
So much I know me I give.
Because I feel like a baby score them we always have come me like you take say me a beat.
Can't work.
Can't work, like you take say a
Oh,
beat.
man, I give him a big man score today.
Like you
man.
take say I want like a 2-year-old,
Nah,
2-year-old
watch this now.
run the patako.
Shrimp or something we like explain so maybe the score we have to get now we do direct to them.
And then you say you want shrimp.
Yeah?
Then you say you want to try that. So
You
say,
want to know something we like, that's why I tried.
Well-
If it have a difference today, you know what I mean?
yeah.
So I think they say curry shrimp nice, you know, but we don't see that.
Yeah man.
Yeah, curry
Cool,
shrimp
man,
nice.
man.
They say it's nice.
Curry shrimp nice man with white rice.
Eh?
Yeah, with enough pepper.
Ah.
No, I'm not afraid of pepper. Can't afraid of pepper, then we have to use it. We're not afraid of it. But when we use it over the yard, we cannot use too much because we have the asthma. So we have to be careful for the children. Then. You can't catch them about it. You know? And like when I do the tree, we have match up nothing. Myself, we did there, we not cook and not left nothing for them, you know. We not do them thing there.
Yeah.
We don't hand share out people.
Yes,
Never do.
unshare.
No, we don't hand share. We full share. What I'm saying, we don't hand share, we full share.
Yeah.
So when
That
you come
is
out,
it.
You have to eat.
Yeah. Have to feed.
You have to feed.
Everybody eats B.
Everybody feed. Feed.
Everybody feed.
Feed to the meal what you get, brother. Before you get, if you get some goat, you gotta feed it.
People are supposed to tell that you have to.
No man, I can't tell them. Man. Right now,
What?
I want a goat to raise.
What?
Not to eat him.
You're mad, man.
I want to tell you, say, they know I love it good. Yesterday, I go up on a live. Empress live, and she say, oh boy, Rasta fi do the curry goat patty.
Curry goat what?
Curry goat patty. She say, yo,
Patty?
the curry goat patty, she know you that, you know?
But even Empress said she wants a big up for Rasta too.
This Empress.
said live when you saying up on yesterday.
Big up Empress, I say right now.
You know you know who we attack, man. I show you back who we attack.
Dalvey.
No. Empress your name, man.
Empress. Big up yourself, Empress. We are looking for some greens live on.
So you say that you don't curry goat patty what you say you there eat?
Me? I know me I go eat.
So Rasta,
You are going to prepare it.
You don't go try and taste this like that curry goat patty?
No.
Oh, you have to hide though.
Hide for what?
The patty
But
is as a
taste
Rasta.
is now buy what we turn make curry.
So how them are using tonight?
A chicken and you
Nah, man, a real. No, them have chicken patty. But them have curry goat patty, man.
Some big chunks of goat.
Never seen that one there.
You can make your own, though.
Yeah. So you say I make 2 curry goat patty one idea?
Yeah.
I'll try it.
Over a live fire, man.
Try it one idea though. Curry goat patty.
Oh, why Rasta? But when I want to ask you, Rasta.
And debone and blend and that kind of thing.
Sorry, you know, but I want to ask you, why you would go in and taste the god of curry goat patty? Or you going to KFC god of chicken?
Yeah.
No,
Yes or no? I never have no of them from beginning cooking curry goat patty. So I wouldn't go add none with them.
So you don't taste it?
No? Burn them out.
Yeah, no.
Burn them out, I guess what?
Right,
They should have
after.
come to me first and make me one before them curry goat patty in a nasty state. You say, that's not right. And then talk to Rasta when they did the boat.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, Rasta, you should come
Yeah,
to
they
the
should
first.
talk to me give them the advice if you can work for.
Yeah.
That me first taste it, I say, yeah, you can pass through. But them out there run before.
And then I link you.
Then I link me. You know what I done?
Burn them
Me have
out,
a
man.
bell for my own.
Yeah, man. I do own, man.
Yeah, no I done from them. So they can't stay with for them one. Let me say.
And keep it.
Yeah, I keep it. They never introduced me to none. I said, boy, we are going to do this today now. So I know it is. We come on the corner. I know, so we pull up.
Yeah.
And go on the corner and say, alright, you can't go out. For me, not there, I got Rasta where they let the goat so much.
As a curry goat
As a
ambassador,
curry goat ambassador. Then lose. Tell Tasty say they lose.
Yeah. So link the Rasta first.
Yes, link the Rasta where they let the goat. But tell me about Maggie coconut milk and you have the right ingredient coconut a hide around the corner and a shop corner. I see if I come out and now because I know say what. Me a burn out the work.
No. Me don't use a boil the food today still.
Yeah, yeah.
But you don't drop shot today, no?
You want to drop shot on the food while that can't work.
Yeah, rinse off this. You can go and soak.
What that, Rasta? What that?
That pick up and cook it now. Saltfish, brother.
Mm.
Everything in the ingredient.
Oh.
In the ingredient.
We should have a piece of rudder into the
Real run belly sitting today.
real seafood. Oh, it's not seafood.
No, no, ready.
Nah, seafood,
Ready,
man.
ready, ready, change the flavor.
So that go on. You gone, Fiddly?
Look, sir.
Where we going? I'm in the right
Anyway,
place.
I go for
Well, no, that's trainer. That's trainer for
Oh,
trainer.
so my trash in the rice.
No,
still.
not today. You got trash rice where I cook. Then I make for me. You got trash rice. We now cook no trash rice today. No trash
No
rice.
trash
No
rice.
trash rice. Get away. Yo, boy.
No trash
No
rice.
trash rice.
Chop rice.
Chop rice we have cook. Chicken chop. We use all the knife and chop the rice, but no trash rice. Brown here.
Rasta! See Rasta the way I hide from you, you know.
One bad rasta, you know, man. What's it that?
Up there running, you know.
Up there running.
Yeah, you didn't say Glen, because you can't come from the country. Where you are, you hide from the country, say Glen.
No, I didn't go there.
Yeah, you hide.
Lock off your bike. Lock off your bike.
Up and running, you know, so you hide. All right, see it there? Look. You see where I'm going with?
And I go there, deal.
No goat today. No goat today. So them there.
Oh, one man there, man.
One to the south.
Yeah, go on with.
There, man, I quote my father.
Up full.
There, up and running the old.
Yeah, beer greens in a pacha.
This is a good look.
It's a good look.
Alright. No bloody chunks around here. No chunks around here, Rasta.
You might hide from the competition.
Right for the competition. I'm going to flip up on the corner and ride on and look, but he run. Up and run, my general.
Bless up, bless up.
No, for Rasta, but not for me. No, for me. No
Right.
chunks around here.
What am I bring off on your Rasta?
Skimmage.
About chunks.
Chunks. I think so you can't come here and tell you nothing.
Rasta with the dreadnought. Look at this. You see it? You have me dealing with it.
Careful now, Rasta.
Yo, big out.
We don't want no finger for eat today, no?
Finger.
Yeah.
That's a greater one punch over. That's why you know.
Just
You want punch
nobody
over,
rub
dull,
out your
see there?
finger.
Yeah, I'll have to just pull out this half eye. Just pull it there, I told you nail
Come on, just great time. They ever
Me
come
can't
with them today.
do that. Done.
Me great time.
Come, greater this.
Boy, you can ball Rasta.
Nothing wrong with that one there today, so greater than that one. Are you a greater?
Always great.
No, I'm here always a greater over here. And you stand up and look and laugh. Yeah.
Rasta, come look and learn.
I don't know if it is. He don't know if it is.
I agree. See there? I agree with me, I burn today.
Trying to make it go nice in our food.
I'm going to buy it.
Big up.
One time,
Bless
Martel
up.
TV, up and running.
So much water you doing?
Morning.
Yeah, morning.
Alright, Rasta. Yo.
Yo. Full of konomo, so I can't tell you.
Coconut flavor now go rich today.
Well, listen me.
Poor. Poor. That's poor.
We have,
Poor.
we have to a bad start.
Poor.
Like if I go need the coconut powder, you know?
Yeah, man, we're going to get some Maggi coconut powder.
This one you
The
have
super power.
to.
Yeah, we're going to get the super
The super
power.
power up now this today.
Take that out there, man. You can't even talk properly.
No, you can't talk properly.
Watch out. Water.
So what we doing?
So hold on there now.
And a coconut water, you know, just I just...
So hold on,
Just
where do you
water,
want
man.
to see now?
Martel, take up the spoon and taste and tell me if you taste a coconut and that.
A final product me deal with.
Oh.
Tell him the Rasta. Final.
I'm a hypocrite.
Oh, here.
Rasta know I mess with him brain, man. Like chicken in brain, yeah? Yeah, Rasta.
Mute today.
I'm gonna make some herbal tea.
You
That's
know,
a while, man, try.
herbal tea. It's alright.
Green.
I make herbal tea here today. Rasta
Herbal soup.
Herbal soup. We never see that here.
It's a green tea, the fiddle.
Green soup.
Kalalo, a rice we are cook.
Yeah?
No, fat man, I roadside today, you know.
How you mad do it?
To him.
I eat him, I go eat for him. I eat him, I eat now. Where my boss at? I want more water.
Chili rice, no. One can cook my rice bread now.
Oh gosh.
But full of ingredients.
That's full of ingredients.
Flavors them are
All
come
in the
together.
one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man, you know my style.
Yeah, you know.
Liquid tubes.
All in the one we are going with today.
Nah, I'm not going to tell you how nothing tastes.
Me no matter with you, I want to tell me how nothing tastes today.
That's the more time you have to say nothing. All you have to do is just watch your
When you
facial.
laugh,
All you have to do is watch your
face is
facial
all
reaction,
well,
man. Yeah, people.
My God, why you get a color?
See that? No found never tried no soup like that yet.
You are claffy, you know. You are talking about soup. You see, you cook soup like this. Where fry something?
Yes, definitely. Just roast and nose and turn in a soup.
You want to talk about me cook soup. That's what the
Yeah.
a big spoon and
So you
enough. Pretty, not sure.
But so you don't talk, we want more water on it.
Nice soup, man. All this one have 2 pepper in it
Smell
and
good
one
still.
roast and noga.
Smell good.
Mm. Yeah, man. I'm taste it now, man. Me want to
The
test.
butter cook out more, I taste it, man.
Why?
Yo, my man, cough already, sir. What wrong with your cough, sir?
Yeah, man. Final review me did, man.
Final review, the feeling. Alright. Kill up your teeth around there. I want Martel final review, the feeling. I want Martel, you know. Right. Up on the channel, you know.
No, I stand it.
No.
No, I'm standing up on the TV.
Yo, can see my trim.
Final review, man.
Got me a trim, watch that.
Firm.
I trim like.
Firm.
Firm. Oh, one to the youth here. A front page me there. Solid as our
Rock.
rock.
For us, I'm swell the pot of go on with something. Oh gosh, man. Come see what I go on now.
Yeah, me ready now for doing me having my watch.
Yo, the sipper come down in the Rasta. The sipper come down there. Alright, me just tell him, man. Sip a come down, man. Yes. You say, want a cup of it now? Want a cup of soup now?
No. A soap?
Another soup, man. Another soup. All in one, him do to them, man.
Oh, what am I doing?
Yeah, yeah. Shrimp and rice and everything, yeah?
Season rice.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Some more water.
Alright, hold on, where I get some water for you.
The great callaloo soup.
Oh gosh, man, I tell him, man.
No, what I'm part when I'm not tell you to do that.
Take a cup of that, no whole heap of iron in a system.
All you, and finish na your face like that, the whole of your face.
Yo!
General.
So you say, Judge, I give him a 1 grade today.
Yeah, Rasta.
Alright. My
Oh.
friend, every time you buy a grade, in
Rasta, I'm telling you, fret the pan guitar and banjo.
Upset that one today.
Wow.
anything you get today, no, I say you go.
Fret the pan guitar and banjo. See it?
I don't know what today.
You know that? No, no fretration.
So you say, Rasta, every time you have him for the cook off and run.
Hide.
Chop rice. Yeah, man, we in a hide, man.
Hide.
Yeah,
Got it too.
my hide, man.
Eh? You hide.
Oh, we not fresh
Samuel,
eye.
you hide.
We not fresh eye.
You get scared. Saglen get scared.
I don't think you want to catch your skill.
Yeah, me have been scared long time, Saglen. I'm scared of the Rasta.
Yes, I can go and grow some more.
Yeah, we don't want to bring it
King go honest in cooking skills.
Rasta get scared.
It's just a practice over
Go and build up.
Yeah?
Practice off you do what?
Just I learn this.
dumping and look good already. That's not what
Right, you want that? Alright, I'll make two of them.
I make the dumpling.
I'll make two of them for you on the channel. See it? Yeah, man.
You want more butter for putting in it, Rasta?
No.
Butter.
We are coming here and butter today. Wait for you.
True, me know you like butter.
This look good.
Look like it all come out next to Shelly, no?
Yeah, look like it all nice still. You know, rest like I can't go buy and say just score today. You want 4.
Put your blouse and skirt in that spoon. Let me see that in the butter.
I'll steer anything in the
What? What's something wrong with him?
Yeah. But what they used to right now, used to anything, you know? Yeah.
So wait, that's how you do it?
You know what you talking about there?
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Let's cook already and well prepared.
Mm-mm. I never know how you do it, Chester.
What you're saying?
Chop rice.
Chop rice. I don't chop rice in your face today. I see what happened now.
Pot ready? Oh yeah, rush it.
Rush it. No rush. I think it's in a dog there, so I rush nothing. One dodo. Because the one martel pat up and run its prescribe and up and
You
run.
say if I saw timid fiddly.
Yeah, like you're not sure where you going with today.
Boss it, let me see that.
So I go on there.
Wow.
You look good.
See one of the people.
You look all shitty.
One martel
I
TV.
saw something in your eyes if you look bad,
Up
man.
and run it.
Gosh, man.
Something in your eyes.
Dude.
Prescribe. Man, that's how it
And you said that you want more water? That you want more water? Gosh, man.
So me I cook soup rice, soup me I cook out and give today. Where soup there?
So you listen though.
Yeah.
I know about put no water. That's why we not get no
You
soup.
don't no talk when me I deal with my things.
That's why we not get no soup. Cause you did get advice to not put the water. What? Sip. Me hear how them grain a drop on plate if a plum or if a pluck or me I hear them a drop 1-1.
I'm going to share me a lot of that, you know.
You know, and a lot of this.
No, it's not going to issue. I'll test it.
You don't too trust the Rasta cooking, Rasta.
I'm not trusting, but it's not
Alright, I'm not getting a lot then.
Alright, so we now, we in review more first, you know.
Come on, cause Shema say I need a review right now.
Yeah, man. We keep me doing one wait. We in review more
Come on,
first.
Fisher. General say I need a review right now.
Left one to me charge you, one song.
Huh?
That's how who? Short one.
Fiddling on here if you have a review.
No.
Alright, what else, Skilly? What we call for? Yeah, man, one do the done.
Yeah.
One go tell alright then.
Look on him over here, so to watch him now. Look how him brace back too. Him brace back and wait for him score like.
You mash up your sex and
I'm afraid.
You know.
Yeah, Fred. Me Fred up on guitar and banjo.
I said do the brace back when he hears a score time.
Done. Van this.
Donovan?
Mash it. Tell him no saglen.
Yeah.
Tell him saglen.
No, leave him now. Nobody try coerce the man for say no. Nobody coerce the man. Lord the man now. Yo.
See all you?
Go around there and tell the man giving review to man. Nobody try coerce the man for say nothing man. Leave the man alone.
Yeah, peace.
Your honest review we want.
Watch you go. I'll give you my honest review. Out of 10?
Yeah.
Before you give it, look, none of we not have on no belt, so you don't have to fret. None of we not have on no belt, so you don't have to fret. Just give it review.
Out of 10. What I got?
Sweet him.
Like, although you can't find no flavor yet of that, to tell we what.
And you know.
Which is it?
Take a sip.
7 again
I'll give
today.
you one sip.
Alright.
Give me an next spoon.
You see that? You see that? And the next spoon you might take.
So,
You want to cry? You want to cry? You want?
to get the rest of it. You want more?
Me if you want more, I'm get more say.
I eat more.
No, Franny said 7 and he take a next plate. 2 7 that. So 14 again.
14 guys.
And you see, I tell me that me nice. Don't worry yourself. Wait till I agree with you. I ain't not telling no lie.
Yeah, man, go on. You man, go on then, Rasta.
Where's the gun?
I say, oh, no, whole for salt night, it does blend the right way, you know?
Alright. On
Give
point.
thanks, see.
Alright then.
Make him better, sir.
Yeah man. Fair enough.
All are 7.
Can't complain upon that.
No review for boy.
And the while I ain't
And me I chef.
I try and get the 7 a while ago,
me I
make him a
share.
go on some man.
And me I chef, so me don't
The
know.
7
say
shake him up.
food. Yo, me I chef, so me don't know say food ready.
Only 7 used to 7 up, you know? 7 shake him up. I first say I do this with the shrimp and things. So tell me, give you a review,
Like
man.
for the shrimps
Yeah.
and rice.
Yes, I want
but
a review.
The ake, the callaloo,
Okay.
the callaloo
So
and
it,
the pumpkin.
yo,
Callaloo and the pumpkin, and then first me do that. Not with rice, see? But the shrimps were night and now. Alright, okay. Up and run.
Alright.
For the one channel.
Run the fly from your plate, Rasta.
Me?
Yeah, how much you give yourself?
Myself, 10 me always I give myself.
Nothing less.
Nothing less.
Always the best.
Always the best.
I'll take a next man review and see if I see him 10.
10? A 10 you say?
How that it is all go?
The shrimp, I mean, I can't like shrimp either, man.
Oh, rubber it just right.
No, it's not rich rubber stage.
Okay, just right. So
No.
how the flavor go?
The flavour? Pick up me, that take little pepper, you know, me like pepper.
Yeah.
Yeah, little pepper, me I take him, you know. But him a go on.
Okay.
So, you know, when I done consume this,
Yeah.
see if I want to save it, I want to eat. That's what I go on.
Me a wait. Me a wait, man. We not going nowhere right no more. Know if it's a. Yeah, wait. 7. You know go on bad, man. Rice, steam out proper and everything
That's
still.
the pepper.
Yeah.
But that one pepper, I get some, I use them again.
One
One pepper, not the iron. One
Pick up.
hyper. Me get some, use the one hyper. So when I bring out 2 or 3, I use that.
No, too much.
No,
Yeah,
no,
you
more
know.
spicer. You don't know use the back of pepper if you don't want pepper.
Ready for the review here? Where you want me sample first?
You don't know where you
Taste the shrimp first?
Yeah, sample.
Really carrying no flavor still.
See, and I came here for looking at bad man.
Hold on, man. And our food, me have to look, man. A visual presentation, me a great point to, you know. See, visual presentation, you get 10.
Yeah.
Rice, steam out just right. You have the right set of ingredients and everything, you know. Me personally, you know my thing. I don't say some other overseas my pot. So as them I say, the pepper, when I take some more pepper, I'm going to splash some more season on them here. Alright, now them shrimp, huh?
You want to feed them.
You want to see it? Don't take it as not disrespect. I give you a 8 CM yesterday. You see me? I hear about the meal balance.
Yeah. Solid score
The
that.
meal balance. The meal balance, man, but we would have put some more flavor upon this. You eat the whole thing, you know? Look at pepper.
That what we,
Look
what
at
the cat
more.
don't give me.
Yeah, what? No. You could have requested me. You know, for your request.
I want to give it yo.
Yeah.
I request nothing more.
Yeah.
No, people. And we and him go to the supermarket.
I like that.
Everything.
Yeah, Rasta.
We
We,
and him go
yeah.
on the road, go get everything.
That
You
was
hear me?
true.
So, him could have tell you what him need.
Yeah, that is
But
true.
as I say still, is a 8. I mean, not a 8 from the heart. 8,
Yeah.
the number 8. You know, him go
Yeah.
on good. Man.
Yeah. You go on well, Rasta. You get a solid score. Wrong with you. You get a solid score. You know how much boy I cook and can ever get 2?
Alright. Go on good.
Yeah. So you said, how much out of 10?
I tell you, so my kind of food is
So 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Alright. Say no more. Hear that, Rasta? Alright, watch him now. Watch him now. You see that? All along you not talk when you get the 8 and the 9, you know.
Teddy, tell us I'm not afraid when I cook. No farmer cooking. Can't afraid, because I afraid to find guitar and banjo.
I can't go one place where we go cook a pot too.
All right, you're here. Why we not play?
Nice place. Ain't town already?
Yeah, man.
What do you want to do?
We're not ready.
Nice view and thing.
Yeah.
Okay, seafront settings are indoor.
Oh, man.
Big like a box now.
Chris,
Like a box.
what you say? Talk to me.
Talk to me,
Wait
Chris.
a go on. Watch your food. Watch your food.
Man, I say food, I go that the man I talk about.
Yes, the food are my food.
Zoom in and watch your style.
Not
From
sure.
talk, look what man do, man.
I tell you by it.
No man, I say your name enough, man.
You see pepper look good, no man.
Oh,
Zoom again,
no man, I eat
Zoom
everybody.
again, man. You see
This?
that? Yeah, man.
A
That
regular
thing
day,
I
man.
put One other day in the office, man.
I prepare my
You
first
see that food, huh?
Yeah.
10 out of 10 can't work for you.
5 you give today.
You want like a 20 out of 20.
20. What? Rasta say a man give all a bigger score than the 10 Rasta.
Yeah, man, the 10 stay away now, man. We have to step up the 10 now. The rest I get 20 out of 20.
Rasta, you hear that?
10 can't work.
Yeah, 20 out of 20.
Yeah, man.
Mm.
Nothing no money night still, but, you know.
That is the war.
Boy.
That is the war. That is the war. If it's the money night. Get the money right here.
That's
This
what
guy
I'm
was
saying.
saying. Don't join us.
Bro,
Don't
you
come
see?
outside.
Alright, father.
That's how we like it. Yeah. Yo, natural thing one today, so subscribe for the Martel TV. You go for the YouTube and you look for the YouTube. You see the one Martel up and running. See it? Rastafari. One love. Right on the end. Peace and man. Yeah, that's a huge one.
Yeah, peeps, Rasta done cook and go ride bike, you know.
Alright, no bike.
You know, end the video this and now, don't mats. Or you have something more I go cook for them.
Cook when?
Today?
Another day.
Oh, alright then, peeps. So let's get through.
Alright. Full, you know, relax time.
Alright? Yeah, easy.
Yeah.
Every food I know, relax diet.